So this is what's being used in place of a handpiece for surgical craniotomies in the lab. It has a speed control here. It can go up to 30,000 RPM, and it has a foot switch here. But unfortunately the switch is on off, and the only way to control the speed is by this dial here. And you can set the control to be foot or hand. When it's hand, it just comes on, and you can vary the speed this way. When it's in the foot mode, it's activated with the foot switch, and when you activate the foot switch, it goes up to the speed that you've got it set for. And it can go forward and reverse. And the handpiece is kind of interesting. It's a quick change. You rotate this purple piece here. You can feel it. You can hear it's spring loaded. Rotate it past the detente here, and the burrs slide right out. And so it's very easy to change, very quick. No special tools, unlike the surgical handpieces that require wrenches and often cause a problem. And it's very smooth, very quiet. And you can get different bits. Here's a smaller burr. That is more suitable for what we're doing. Really hard to see. But this whole setup is under $100, so it's a lot cheaper than a surgical handpiece.